Rain of blessing, fall on me now. Every dry and broken land now drinks from your gentle hand. Tears become the sea of mercy free. The clouds begin to glow, your presence starts to flow. Every heart awakes, grace overtakes. You pour your love again, like healing from the rain. Every soul reborn by your dawn. Rain of blessing, pure and true, wash my heart and make it new. Every drop that falls tonight brings your light. Rain of blessing, soft and sweet, covers every wounded beat. All my praise I raise for your rain of grace. The earth begins to sing as life returns to spring. Your spirit fills the sky, draws me nigh. Every leaf and stone echoes you alone. Forever I will be drenched in thee. You pour your love again, like healing from the rain. Every soul reborn by your dawn. Rain of blessing, pure and true, wash my heart and make it new. Every drop that falls tonight brings your light. Rain of blessing, soft and sweet, covers every wounded beat. All my praise I raise for your rain of grace. Let your river flow wherever I may go. Forever I will stand in your hand. Rain of blessing, pure and true, wash my heart and make it new. Every drop that falls tonight brings your light. Rain of blessing, soft and sweet, covers every wounded beat. All my praise I raise for your rain of grace. Rain of blessing, fall on me now. Rain of blessing. Kingdom of grace, you reign forever. The light breaks through the haze. your perfect law. You crown the earth with peace, our spirits find release. The past is washed away in your day. Heaven opens wide, your glory can't be denied. Every tear erased by your grace. Kingdom of grace, holy place, every soul in your embrace. All I am, all I see is you alive in me. Kingdom of grace, shining true. All my heart belongs to you. In this sacred space, your kingdom of grace, your throne of light remains beyond all time and pain. Forever I will stay in your Kingdom of grace, holy place, every soul in your embrace. All I am, all I see is you alive in me. Kingdom of grace, shining true. All my heart belongs to you. In this sacred space, your kingdom of ocean of love, I'm drifting in you. The waves reflect your face, I'm lost in your embrace. Every tide I feel, your love is real. The currents pull me near, no room for any fear. You wash my heart away in grace that will not stray. All I am is yours forevermore. Ocean of love, deep and wide, carry me beyond the tide. Every tear, every pain, washed away again. Ocean of love, deep and wide, carry me beyond the tide. Every tear, every pain, washed away again. Ocean of love, pure and true. All my heart belongs to you. Waves of faith above. Ocean of love. Let your waters flow wherever I may go. Forever I'll be found safe and sound. Ocean of love, deep and wide, carry me beyond the tide. Every tear, every pain, washed away again. Ocean of love, pure and true. All my heart belongs to you. Waves of faith above. Ocean of love. Ocean of love, I'm drifting in you. Ocean of love. Eternal light, shine in my soul. When night tries to remain, your glory ends the pain. The darkness fades away. You are the day. Your flame will never fall. Your truth outshines it all. Forever you will be the light in me. You open up the sky. Your love can never die. Every heart made new in you. Eternal light burns so bright, lead me through the endless night. Every tear, every cry turns to glory high. Eternal light, pure and true. All my days belong to you. Let your grace ignite. Eternal light. You speak and worlds awake. The heavens start to shake. Your word creates the sun, the Holy One. Your radiance never ends. It heals, restores, and mends. Forever I will be in thee. You open up through the valley of my fear. I feel your presence near. Every shadow starts to fade. By your light I'm made. Your word becomes my guide. No longer will I hide. You carry me through pain like gentle rain. You walk these roads with me in perfect majesty. Every step I take for your name's sake. Path of glory, bright and wide, take me where your truth abides. Every tear, every cry turns to light on high. Path of glory, pure and true, all my soul belongs to you. Lead me through the night to your holy light. Mountains bow to your grace. Heaven touches this place. All creation sings to the King. Your fire lights my way through every passing day. Forever I will go where you show. You walk these roads with me in perfect majesty. Every step I take for your name's sake. Path of glory, bright and wide, take me where your truth abides. Every tear, every cry turns to light on high. Path of glory, pure and true, all my soul belongs to you. Lead me through the night to your holy light. Your steps are etched in time. Your grace my only sign. Forever I will be walking free. Path of glory, bright and wide, take me where your truth abides. Every tear, every cry turns to light on high. Path of glory, pure and true, all my soul belongs to you. Lead me through the night to your holy glory, path of glory. Lead me home. Path of glory. silence I can feel. Your presence warm and real. You move like morning light through the night. Every heart you bring to life. You calm our storm and strife. Your peace becomes my song, forever strong. Your spirit in my soul, breathing and making whole. I surrender all to your calm breath of heaven. Blow through me, set my spirit ever free. Every moment, every tone, I am yours alone. Breath of heaven, pure and true. All my heartbeat longs to you. Let your light descend till the very end. The winds of grace arise, they dance across the skies. Your truth renews the earth, a holy birth. Each sigh becomes a prayer. Your spirit fills the air. The world awakes again in your name. Spirit in my soul, breathing, making whole. I surrender all to your call. Breath of heaven, blow through me, set my spirit ever free. Every moment, every tone, I am yours alone. Breath of heaven, pure and true. All my heartbeat longs to you. Let your light descend till the very end. Your wind of life remains through joy and through the pains. Forever I will stay in your Breath of heaven, blow through me, set my spirit ever free. Every moment, every tone, I am yours alone. Breath of heaven, pure and true. All my heartbeat longs to you. Let your light descend till the very fill me again. Breath of heaven. fight me now. The storm has come and gone. Your peace is all I'm on. Raindrops fade away. You make a way. My heart begins to see. Your light is calling me. You break the night apart with hope inside my heart. Every storm bows down to your crown. Light through the clouds, shine again. Wash away the dark and pain. Every tear, every sound, heaven's love is found. Light through the clouds, pure and true. All my praise returns to you. When my heart cries out, you're the light through the clouds. The sky begins to glow. Your grace begins to flow. 1,000 voices rise to the skies. You paint the world with peace. My doubts begin to cease. Your hands renew the day in your way. You break the night apart with hope inside my heart. Every storm bows down to your crown. Light through the clouds, shine again. Wash away the dark and pain. Every tear, every sound, heaven's love is found. Light through the clouds, pure and true. All my praise returns to you. When my heart cries loud, you're the light through the clouds. Your light will never fade through every night and shade. Forever I will see you're with me. Light through the clouds, shine again. Wash away the dark and pain. Every tear, every sound, heaven's love is found. Light through the clouds, pure and true. All my praise returns to you. When my heart cries loud, you're the light through the clouds. Light through the clouds, shine again. Light through the clouds. Heaven open wide, your glory falls inside. The veil begins to tear, your presence fills the air. every heart awake for your name's sake. The light descends like rain. You heal our hidden pain. Every shadow flies when you rise. We lift our hands on high. Your spirit fills the sky. Every soul made new in you. Heaven open wide for your grace. Shine your light on every place, every voice and every cry. Rise into the sky. Heaven open wide, pure and true. All our hearts belong to you. Let your love abide. Heaven open wide. The angels start to sing. Their voices crown the King. The earth reflects your grace in your place. Our spirits rise in praise. Forever we will raise the anthem of your throne. You alone. We lift our hands on high. Your spirit fills the sky. Every soul made new in you. Heaven open wide for your grace. Shine your light on every place, every voice and every cry. Rise into the sky. Heaven open wide, pure and true. All our hearts belong to you. Let your love abide. Let your glory reign through joy and through the pain. Forever we will be free in thee. Heaven open wide for your grace. Shine your light on every place, every voice and every cry. Rise into the sky. Heaven open wide, pure and true. All our hearts belong to you. Let your love abide. Heaven open wide. Heaven open wide, forevermore. Heaven